So now let's see how we can utilize the view options inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here on the top, you can see that view is an option, and here there's different things that you can do. You can go around, zoom in, zoom out, and access those options right here. And you can go around over here and make it fit to screen over here as well, so that it expands out the image onto a certain location that is visible over here on the screen. Let me just hold Alt and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in, and you can see the pixels in a certain way. But if I were to go to view right here, and then I can go around onto actual pixels, then what happens is that it maps out the pixels with this with your screen pixels, and then arranges it out to be displayed out perfectly. You can go around onto view and go for print size over here as well, and see how much you would see when you're actually printing it out as well. So here you can see there's the different zoom options over here, and then there's different options as well that we are going to look in at the video lessons. So here you can see that this is a window right here which is attached out onto the workspace. But if I were to go to view right here onto new window for workspace 1, then you can see that another window actually pops up over here as well, apart from what you have right here. So if I were to go around, draw around right here, let me just go around and then draw around by using this brush. If I were to go on to the beginning, then you can see that this is simply another view right here. So you can go around right here and just duplicate out the tabs, as you can see. So especially when you have a lot of projects, you can duplicate out the windows right here, and then have the same project show up in both of them at once as well, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the view options inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.